Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to buy domain and hosting from Hostinger. We're going to use Hostinger to get our hosting. It's one of the best options available right now because it's both very fast and affordable. You can follow along by clicking the link to Hostinger in the description below. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to the website. Here, we're going to go to the Hosting tab at the top and then click on Website Hosting. Afterward, scroll down to see the different hosting plans. I recommend selecting the Premium Web Hosting, which has everything we need for our website and also includes a free domain. This means that the name of your website is included in this package. We'll click on Add to Cart. Here, you can choose your billing cycle, which determines how many months in advance you'll pay for hosting. The cheapest option is the 48-month plan, and I recommend this if you plan to use your website for multiple years. However, if you're unsure about that, you can select one of the shorter plans. To get the free domain, choose either the 12-month, 24-month, or 48-month option. For this demonstration, I'll select the 12-month option. Next, we'll scroll down and enter our email address. Then, we'll choose a payment method. Before proceeding with the payment, make sure to apply the coupon code to receive an additional discount. You'll see that an extra discount has been applied. Now, enter your payment information and click Submit. After that, we'll set a password for our Hostinger account and click Confirm. Next, we'll go directly to our Hostinger dashboard. Click on the Hostinger logo at the top to enter your account. Here, you can claim your free domain, which is the next step. Click on Claim Domain. You'll now choose your domain extension. I recommend selecting a .com domain if it's available. If not, you can opt for a .net or .co domain. Type in your desired domain name, and I suggest picking something easy to remember without any strange characters or numbers. You can now claim your domain for free since it's included in our hosting plan. To complete your domain registration, you'll need to fill in some contact information. Enter that here and then click Continue. Next, you'll need to verify your domain. Check your email inbox for a message from Hostinger and click the link inside to verify your domain. You'll be taken to a page confirming that your email address has been successfully verified. You can now close these pages and reload the Hostinger dashboard. Finally, you'll see that your domain is active and your email is verified. And that's how you can buy domain and hosting from Hostinger. Be sure to give it a try by clicking the Hostinger link provided in the description below.